right, so our next step is to upload a Google Doc or Google Slides. So I'm still in the mental toughness tutorial folder. I'm going to go ahead and click on the assignment. And you're going to do this when you do projects, when you work on any of the online mental toughness stuff. Like, we're going to ask you to turn in docs and slides. So, how you do this is, again, it's the same thing as before when you go ahead and you're submitting the assignment. Okay, you're going to click submit assignment and you have a couple of options. If you have like a Windows or a Mac computer where you're uploading directly from your computer, you'll click this file button and you'll go ahead and upload it directly from your computer. Okay, this is if the file is already saved on the hard drive of your computer. You can also do this with Chromebooks, but it just depends on your situation and everything like that. Generally, though, you're going to be uploading from your drive. Create is a place where, let's say, you're just doing like your teacher wants you to answer a couple of sentences and you don't need to do it in a doc. You can click in the Create tab and type whatever, okay? And you can type whatever you need to. You can write an essay in here if you wanted to, and you could then just submit it, and you'd be able to like edit directly in here if you didn't want to open up a Google Doc. Obviously, though, for most of you, like for your projects, you're going to be using Docs. So you're going to go to your Resources tab. You're going to click Apps, and you're going to upload things directly through Google Drive. Okay. Now, I want to show you a couple things with Google Docs in terms of turning math assignments in, because there is a tool that you could use to turn in equations or to write in equations and like turn stuff in. So if you're in a Google Doc and you want to type in an equation, you go to Insert and you can click the equation button, and this will create a new equation tool. And they basically have like different toolbars here. The main things you want to focus on are like times, division. That's another multiplication symbol. If you're doing like some particular stuff for algebra, you might use this plus minus symbol or like an asterisk for another multiplication thing. And then that I believe is the degrees symbol. So it'll like create like a little circle, like 60 degrees. You can put like the circle there for that. Um, there's the greater than or less than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and then your less than or equal to, greater than, less than or greater than symbols are going to be the arrows that are right where the comma and the period are on your keyboard. Then you might do square roots, so that would be the square root buttons here. If you're creating a fraction, you would go ahead and click that button, and you basically type in like a number, and then you would press the right arrow key and it would drop to the bottom and you could write the other number like that. Okay. Um, you can also do exponents, which is here. And that's basically all you'll use. You might use parentheses here, that's an option, but you won't use any of the others. And then if you want to show arrows, like to show the way you're doing math, that's fine. Basically, this tool is there in case you have to type in like an equation. It will make things make sense. It'll be a helpful tool if you need to do any math in your docs. You need to write about math. So that's just a thing for you in case you needed to use it. So you're going to add your testing math assignment by clicking the box next to it. You're going to click import and import file. And that's all you have to do to import a doc. Again, see how I have like the slides down here? You can do the same thing with slides. You just click the box and you click import. And that's all you have to do. And so then you have your assignment submitted. Okay, so what I'm going to have you do next is you're going to try this out by creating a little doc. It'll be really, really simple, and all you have to do is create a doc and upload it. Okay? All right, take care. Bye.